Hi, now I'm gonna teach you how to set up or open up a business account on Facebook. It's a Meta account. So I'm gonna just check my recording right here if it's going. The first thing I wanna do is open up your Facebook personal account, make sure it's open, and just leave it as it is on another tab. Now, before we get into this, I wanna ask you kindly to gather or connect a notepad. Open it up. If you have a pen and paper or a piece of paper, or a pencil, it's okay, just to write down the steps here one by one so you can follow them accordingly. And I strongly suggest do not skip any step so we won't have or you won't have any trouble in the near future, okay? So let's move on here. Open your personal account, leave it as it is, and then just type in business.facebook.com on the new tabs, okay? Once you're here, just log in using your personal account, and then you should have a valid or working email to link it on this business website or Meta account, and then it will send a verification code. So it's really important that you use a personal and active email address. Okay? Now once we're here, please notice these tools or sections on the left. If you're not seeing them right now on your end, just click on this setting icon right here, and I'm really sure they will show up. So the most important part here is make sure that your apps or your accounts are connected on your business Meta account. Let's go on with it. As you can see here, I just opened my account section. Let me just close that user. Now, let me just open my account center again. I have here pages, ad accounts, business assets groups, apps, Instagram accounts, and WhatsApp account. Let's just browse to them real quickly one by one. If you click on pages, this is just a Facebook page or Instagram page that you wanna connect on this Meta business account. I don't have an account yet or an asset, so I really cannot show how it looks like, but technically it will just connect, and then you can just run your ads there. We can just go on with it on the next videos, more specifically on how to run ads, okay? But as of now, let's go on to ads account. So please take note that ads accounts and Instagram or WhatsApp accounts are different for an ads account. An ads account is technically an account with a specific code that runs your ads. As you can see here, if you want to add your Instagram account here, just add it up. And then it will access your content, your ads, insights, messages, and comments. This is what I'm mentioning earlier. Even though it says ads here, it's very different from the ads account right here. You may be confused that why am I adding my Instagram account? You may ask, why am I adding my ads account also? They're very different. They're not the same, okay? So if you want to add your ads account here, just click on add. You're going to have three options. You have an ad account here. If you have a personal one, just add it up. And then for the second one is request access to an ad account. But technically the second one is for agencies. For example, if you have a friend, if you have a company you're working before with an account you want to use, just load it up and then ask for the code. And you just click on this one, create a page, or add a page. Just connect that code from them. Same goes with an ad account right here. If you have your personal one, just put it right here, and then click on ad account, and then you'll see it displayed right here. Okay? Moving on, technically the process is just the same for business, pages, Instagram accounts, and WhatsApp account. They're technically just the same. For this one, let's get started right here. As you can see, how do you want to organize your work over here? You have separate brands of line of business, different regions, agencies, and others. As I mentioned earlier, if you have a friend or you're working on a previous company that has an ad account, you can just use it to open up your ads account right here. I'm saying ads account a lot here, but it's really just part of the discussion here because it really just say ads account. And then from here now, you can just choose whatever you want here and then click on confirm. Since I'm using separate brands of line of business, I click on confirm right there. Create a business asset group, business name it. Let's just say Anthony here. Click on next, select asset type. Let's just say catalogs over here. Instagram accounts are not connected yet. Pixels are videos you want to use on your branding. Pages are not yet connected, the one earlier. Of course, ad accounts right here. They're not connected yet. So let's just choose what we can choose as of now. I think there isn't. before we can move on here. But if you have an ad account or Instagram pages or Facebook business pages here, just click on them and then click on next. Your business asset groups will display here. Okay, so moving on, let's check out apps right here. This is the one I'm very intrigued about. If you click on add right here, you can connect an app ID wherein you can get it on a Play Store or an App Store. You can connect your app right here, not a problem. So Instagram account's very self-explanatory here. Just connect your Instagram account here. Again, even though it says ads here, it's different from the ads account over here. Okay, click on this one and then connect your Instagram account. I strongly suggest, if you want to connect it very swiftly and very easily, just open up your Instagram account on a new tab right here and then connect your Instagram right here. Just click on this button. It will automatically detect your Instagram account open on another tab, rather than if you connect on this one, it will ask you to log in on a separate tab. Okay, let me just check my recording real quickly here if it's working. Anyway, moving on, the same goes with WhatsApp account. They're just the same. So those are the ways to add your accounts here on Meta business page. So the next one I want to talk about is adding people. Yes, I said people. You can just add here a friend or an employee. So as you can see, there are a lot of social media managers out there that are Facebook Ads Manager that you can hire to manage your account here or your business ads here. You can just give or ask for the employee's email and then give access as an employee. If I'm not mistaken, only a few people can have admin access, which is technically me. I have an admin access as of now, since this is my account. However, this is how you add your employee or friends here. You can choose partner if you want, partner to share assets with. However, for partners, I think they should have the same Meta or they have their own business to use this one. But if you want to hire people or a friend to help you on your ads here, just click on this on people and click on ads. Enter their email right here and then choose employee access. But if you want to give them admin access, that's perfectly fine. And then just click on next here. If you click on advanced options right here, you're gonna see another roles for finance analyst, finance editor, and developer. But for this one, these are just additional roles. The most common roles or most business role or the most important roles are these two right here. Okay, so that's how you add people or employee on your business account. Moving on, make sure your payment methods are linked in. If you click on this one, you're gonna have a few options to choose from, and then you can choose via card, a debit card, a credit card, whatever works for you is best. And then you can just check again on requests here if someone are asking for your business account. It's just technically a Facebook personal account with just a little more business part. This is how you set up your Meta business account. And then let me just check again. I think it's losing here. Mine is broken. Anyway, from here on out, you can just double check your security center also. I strongly suggest you enable two-factor authentication for admins only. Do not give it to everyone. This is a special reminder for you guys. Enable two-factor authentication or add another admin. But I do not suggest adding another admin, especially if you don't trust it personally. Okay? So I think that covers most of it. That's how you set up your Meta business account on your Facebook using your PC. So if you hope to learn more, you can just wait for the following videos to more specific ideas about this. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.